Did you know the funniest moments happen when people think nobody is watching? I spent a whole day at the mall just observing regular folks, and what I found was pure comedy gold. There was this guy at the food court who ordered a burger, then spent 5 minutes trying to figure out how to eat it without the contents falling out. He approached it like he was defusing a bomb. Slow, careful, with the concentration of a surgeon. Then I saw a woman at the shoe store having a full conversation with her reflection in the mirror. She was giving herself a pep talk about whether these heels made her look confident. Plot twist, they absolutely did. My favorite was the dad chasing his toddler through the toy aisle. The kid was giggling, the dad was sweating, and 3 store employees were just watching this epic chase scene unfold like it was the best entertainment they had all day. Comedy is everywhere, you just have to pay attention. Sometimes the best jokes write themselves when real life gets weird.